Hello.
Hi, is this Gert?
Yes, it is. Who's this?
This is Bill. Do you remember me?
I'm sorry. I don't remember you.
Did you come into the CS computer shop today?
I went to many shops today. Where is yours?
Our shop is located at the Galaxy Mall.
Which floor is your shop on?
CS computer is on the 3rd floor.
Oh, yes. I think I remember now. What is your name again?
My name is Bill of CS computer.
Oh. I remember you now. You are the tall person, very handsome?
Yes. That's right. You have a good memory, Gert.
So what can I do for you, Mr. Bill?
Do you remember coming into our shop and asking about a catalog for computer games?
Yes. I remember asking for the catalog. You could not find it.
Right. I couldn't find it.
But you have it now?
Yes, I have the catalog.
Great.
Would you like me to keep it here at the shop for you?
I'm not free to go down there anytime soon.
Well, since you cannot come to the shop, can I spend you the catalog?
That would be wonderful.
Okay, may I have your address, please?
2307 T Street, Sacramento, California 95610.
Okay, was that 23007 T Street?
No. That was 2307 T Street.
Okay, I have your address. And I'll send it to you today.
Great. Thanks.
My pleasure.
Mr. Bill.
Yes.
I often have questions about computers and games.
You can ask me anything. It's my business.
Thanks for that. May I have your phone number?
Sure. It's 0186753009. Call me anytime if you have a question.
Thank you a lot.
My pleasure.
Goodbye.
Bye, bye. Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.